Presenting the JBL new launch Tune 245 North Carolina in-ear wireless TWS ANC Earbuds, customized extra bass with headphones app, 48-inch battery, dual connect, quick charge, IP54, Bluetooth 5.3, 3 months additional warranty. It comes in color options of purple, silver, Live Flex 3 and black, Live Buds 3. It comes in color options of black, Live Flex 3 and black, Tune 245 North Carolina. Blue, Live Flex 3 and blue, Live Buds 3. It comes with 4 mics, ensure perfect stereo sound. It has so you feel safer when out and about. It comes with up to 48 hours of playtime and or 10 hours in the buds, plus 30 in the case when active noise cancellation is engaged. It also features 6mm drivers enhanced by the form factor. You'll feel every beat with JBL's Pure Bass Sound.